All right, you guys, a local grocery store has plans to construct a regular parking lot on land that is bordered on one side by highway. There are 1,280 feet of fencing available to enclose the other three sides. We know X represents the length of the two parallel sides, and Y is going to be the area. You should have that down already. It's given in the question. But let's go ahead and talk about what this looks like. I'm going to draw a picture in order to, oh, it was terrible. Let me redraw that, you guys. I'm going to draw a picture. Okay, so we only need this fencing for 3 of the sides because on the other side, apparently there's a highway that's going through this other side. So we have 1,280 feet of fencing, and that's going to go around 3 sides. I don't know how much is going to be on each of these 3 sides, but I do know that it's a rectangle, which is important because that means that 2 of the sides are the same, right? I'll make those green. This side and this side are the same. So I can call that the same variable. If this side is X amount of fencing and this side is X amount of fencing, because that's the 2 parallel sides, and that's what the problem told me to do, and I have 1,280 feet, then whatever is left over has to be on this side, which is 1,280 minus this side, the right side, and minus the left side, so minus 2 sides, so 2 of those x's. So if our area of a rectangle is the length times the width, then our area here is going to be x, our length, times our width, which is 1,280 minus 2x. Okay? And if we're trying to find the maximum, this is going to give us a quadratic. Area is always going to be a quadratic equation, all right? This is going to give us a negative quadratic, because this negative here will make it negative x squared. And we're looking for our maximum point here. So the area is on the y, and the length is on the x. So we're looking for that maximum point right there, that vertex. So we're going to go ahead and put this into the calculator. Okay. And I think I almost had this. I forgot my 2. X. Okay. And I played around with my window. Let's see if my window works. Oh, my window is not quite tall enough. And it's a little bit too wide. Maybe I just go with 600 wide. And maybe 200,000. Oh, almost. I'm almost. I just need to go a little bit taller. So I need to make my y a little bit bigger. Why don't I add a 5 here? Add 5,000. Perfect. So let's trace. And I'll trace up to the top, and it looks like it's going to be around 204,000. But we can find that exactly by doing second calc. We want to find the maximum 4. And it wants left bound, so I go a little bit left of the maximum point. I hit enter. Then I go a little bit right of the maximum point, and I hit enter, and then enter. Okay, and it says 319.9998. I bet that's like 320 will be the length that will give us a maximum area of 204,800. So that's going to be the answer you plug into the complete sentence. So make sure that you are able to do that. And let me know if you have any questions.